My theory of everything that exists and will exist was created 384 billion years ago by highest force. Let there be light. Force wanted not be alone and wanted to see life grow. Most likely universe shape is like magnetic field. One side is expanding, other side contracting like dual universes. And the point of expansion is what we call Big Bang. If you look at nature, everything goes back to its origin. So do we, or essence of us, we are just on a long cosmic journey to learn and grow to be perfect, because perfect can't exist without imperfection. We all have a small piece of the force. That's like a raindrop that becomes a river, and then the sea and the drop again. The birth of Earth was truly remarkable event. Earth was formed by gravity because every atom has its own mass which equals to tiny gravity. All the space rocks were compressed to bigger rock and started to clump together, which was the birth of Earth. Jupiter and Saturn were the hoovers of our solar system that allowed Earth to be exact size for life, so the gravity wouldn't crush us if we were too big. Shortly in early age, there was a smaller planet called Theia colliding and chipping off the matter that formed the moon, which has been proved by science. Water, I think, to Earth trough comets during heavy bombardment 3.8 billion years ago. The life was planted to Earth by extraterrestrials, which are guided by the Force. And there will be no life if the Force doesn't integrate matter with the essence of life. We evolved from small microbe that we have something still in common with, which is our genitalia. The microbe had similar reproduction as we do. We also truly are relatives of the ancestor of the frog. You can truly say that once in history, it was a small leap for a frog but a big jump for mankind, which evolved to primates. We have to thank evolution for strongest and smartest survive. That has enabled life to evolve to better versions, which also mutations contribute heavily to how our races were created and color in our eyes. It is a heritage from early primate family, got extraordinary children that were smarter and stronger than their parents. I am not sure if this was extraterrestrial intervention or just mutation, but these children also had different tone on their skin and eyes that we have today's races. The cradle of humankind was in Saudi Arabia, which was in ancient times covered by lakes and jungle. Adam and Eve's story * 31,000 BC near Van Lake, Turkey. Humankind was devolving genetically, mixing with lower quality primates and declining in the wars, and believes in ghosts and spirits. Adam and Eve was sent here to evolve and upgrade human genetics, but was misled by fallen negative forces to take faster way than the original plan to evolve human genetics. Because of this woman's birth is so painful, it didn't used to be painful before betrayal. Jesus, why he was sent here. This is a sensitive topic. I briefly touch on that. He is the way and director of God's will, and the Holy Spirit is the essence of life. It's like God mind, Jesus, right arm, spirit, left arm. They are a different thing, but they are all the same essence. Jesus, why he was sent here. He had to experience the lowest spirit form and all the hardships comes with it to be able to be perfect as the Force is. Also, he is a beacon of hope for humanity. All these quotas that are in the scriptures has truly higher meaning, which the people of that time had no clue what it really means, but the message is embedded in the bright message, like let there be light. I can measure the universe in the palm of my hand. Why do we die? We have limitations in our genetics, how long we can live. Human body renews all its cells every 7 years, and as human cells gets bombarded by cosmic radiation / radioactive will degrade the cell's ability to divide correctly, which leads to errors and faults. Chemical affliction also has effect on human lifespan. Why don't God intervene with all evil? He could, but then he messes up the grand plan, which is our free will. We truly have free will to live or die and be erased from the books of time. Evil is a thing that human chooses to do even he knows it's wrong. That will truly delay you on the cosmic journey. What is the meaning of life? Love others like you love yourself. Love is the beacon of the Force. Sources: Modern Science, Urantia Book, Religious Scriptures, Connecting the Dots Logic.